Somebody beautifully said that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself into the service of others. Just imagine the picture of the world when everybody commit to serve the needy and commit to give voice to the voiceless. A very hearty morning and warm welcome to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi from class 8 presenting School Morning Assembly on the occasion of World Social Justice Day. And let me first wish you all a very happy World Day of Social Justice. Dear friends, injustice is the biggest threat in the society. Let us together evoke a sense of community that we need to make our nation a better place. Let us join our hands together to eradicate injustice from the world. With this, let us move forward. Almighty God, you have created us in your own image. Grant us grace to contend fearlessly against evil and help us to use our freedom rightly in the establishment of justice in our communities and among the nations. Let we all pray to God to fill the hearts of all people with love and the desire to ensure justice for all the brothers and sisters. Now everybody join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. After prayer, a big part of the Indian culture is our love for our country and being patriotic. School is a place where we learn to respect for the flag and country. Let us take pledge that we will fulfill our duties and responsibilities towards our country. Let us take vow with Suhana from class 8th. Thank you very much, Suhana. Dear friends, we all somehow listen that the social workers aim to open the doors of access and opportunity for everyone, particularly those who are in greatest need. We must learn from them and should come together to support the idea of justice. And let us move to the next, that is thought of the day, and I would like to invite Kiara from class 8th. Good morning everyone. My name is Kiara. Thought of the day is where justice is denied, where poverty is enforced, where ignorance prevails, and where anyone class is made to feel that society is an organized conspiracy to oppress, rope, and degrade them. Neither persons nor property will be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Kiara. 20th February is celebrated annually as the World Day of Social Justice to promote awareness of social inequality and break down barriers based on gender, age, color, reason, religion, tradition, and disabilities. The theme of this year's World Day of Social Justice is Achieving Social Justice Through Formal Employment. Let us know more about the objectives of this day. Here I would like to invite Sanya from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Sanya. Good vocabulary helps us to think and learn about the world. Expanding our knowledge of words provides us unlimited access to new information. Let us enhance our vocabulary, and next I would like to invite on stage Vamini from class 8 for Word of the Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Vamini. Word of the day is rectitude, and the meaning of rectitude is honesty and correct moral behavior. Synonyms of this word are honesty, integrity. Antonyms are corruption, immorality. And I am using this word in a sentence. Never turn aside from the path of rectitude. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. We Indians are one, and our national anthem is significant in uniting and reminding us that there we stand and remain one under the Indian Union. Let us sing national anthem respectfully. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.